Thinking of relocating to Luanda, Angola? Whether you're moving for work, family, or a new adventure, it's a big transition with unique logistics, climate, and costs. Let's walk through what you should expect, cost ranges, timeline, and how to move wisely. For a full household move to Luanda, typical international shipping quotes start around $3,600 to $8,200 US for two-bedroom homes, depending on origin, volume, and services. Transit time is often between 5 to 8 weeks, but could take longer due to customs and port handling at destination. First, request a detailed quote. You'll want an item-by-item inventory and clarity on what's included. Second, declutter. Fewer items equals lower cost and simpler shipping. Third, research destination access in Luanda. Port fees, inland delivery, customs clearance, and local delivery conditions all matter. There are different shipping methods. A full container load, FCL, is ideal for large volumes and gives private space. A shared container, LCL, lowers cost if you have fewer items. Door-to-door service handles pickup, shipping, customs, and delivery, more convenient but typically costlier. Once your shipment arrives in Luanda, expect customs inspection and possible duties. Freight will then continue to your residence for delivery. Be present at delivery to inspect items for damage and verify your inventory. Unpack essentials first: beds, kitchen supplies, important electronics, while you settle into your new home. International moves are complex. You'll need proper packing for long transit, experienced carriers with cross-border logistics, insurance coverage, and clear documentation. A reputable mover reduces risk of delays, hidden fees, or damaged goods. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more international moving advice and relocation guidance.